as I said earlier, backing into Ocean Cay, as you can see. We were here previously on MSC Meraviglia. Make sure you check out that vlog. I suggest taking the tour of the lighthouse. So you excited for Ocean Cay?
Yes, I can't wait.
Well, I'm filled up from breakfast, as you could see, and had a great view, of course. Now let's get day one started. We had an excursion planned to see a shipwreck. Due to high winds, the shipwreck excursion was canceled. That was to snorkel there. So, you know, as you can see, we spent the day in the lagoon. It is absolutely beautiful. Did a little snorkeling here. Went out, swim almost all the way across here. If you're coming down early, rent you an umbrella. But usually by noon, you'll see a lot of them abandoned, so you can just use them till someone tells you not to.
We had lunch at the buffet. It's right at the lagoon. Also, they have a snack shack with burgers, fries, and snacks right there on the beach.
After a beautiful day at the lagoon, we're going to head back on the ship and get ready for this evening for the party here at Ocean Cay. After watching a beautiful sunset, we get off the ship. They hand you a lei to head to the party, and the views of the lighthouse, the ship, absolutely, you know, I keep saying it. I know I say the word beautiful over and over, but it is one of a kind. I really enjoy it.
Lay me.
I was doing that and she goes, yeah.
This ship is about 50,000 gross register tons smaller than Meraviglia, but it doesn't seem that much smaller.
Right. All right, guys, y'all gonna tell me where we're going? Where are we off to?
The moon. No. We're going to the
Beach party.
Luna
Libra Party. I was gonna say Lucha Libre or something. It's not like a movie or something. Anyway.
Something.
Hello.
Oh my gosh! Hi!
Yeah. Yes.
How are you?
Very good. CME.
CME traveling! I love it.
Good to see
I already subscribed. Did you get it?
We had a great party here at the Bay, and they had a lot of line dancing. I practiced some of mine. I'm really new to that, so yeah, we don't videotape that. But anyway, we enjoyed it so much.
That was a lot of dancing. But boy, can Travis move. We really enjoyed hanging out with him and watching him dance, do the conga line, and do the limbo. What a great night.
Let's get day 2 started.
Hey guys, we're headed to a shipwreck snorkel, hopefully. The weather was a little sketchy today, but we think we're gonna make it. And we can't wait to show you all the great video footage we're getting ready to get.
Best drinking game out there. Where's Travis? In any of our videos.
About the people up top, huh?
There were a couple of dolphins following us. Did you see them? So we just snorkeled around this shipwreck here just off of Ocean Cay. Beautiful. Had about 5 minutes left as probably a little rocky here, the boat walking. But of course we had a good little storm earlier and come up, and now it's sunny, beautiful. Looking at MSC Divina. This is our second day. Absolutely beautiful. I know I say that word a whole lot. I'm gonna try something I've never tried before. I ordered the lobster bacon roll, and we got us some fried calamari. And this is one of the beach shacks. It's towards the back, near the Lagoon area. Yeah, excited. We'll see and let you know how everything is, taste-wise and everything. Bacon lobster roll. Very good. Very good. A lot of fries, calamari, delicious. Very good. Definitely worth the money there. Not but $12.95 for this, and you get all that, and you get slaw and fries. But yes, that lobster roll was very good. We're heading back to the ship and maybe take a little siesta and get ready for the evening.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, be sure to hit the like button and click on our picture above to subscribe.